Well, welcome to Barkhausen Nature Bites. Today we're talking about a really cool flower that's just starting to pop up right now here at Barkhausen, really throughout northeast Wisconsin. That's the skunk cabbage. Now, skunk cabbage really like wetland areas, low areas, and the flowers do pop up sometimes pretty early, even in mid-March. And there's a flower, two of them in fact, right in front of me, and they kind of look like a weird purplish horn coming out of the ground. And again, they'll pop up even in mid-March. What's kind of cool with the flower is that the flower itself can create heat up to 70 degrees sometimes, and that'll melt the snow and keep the soil warm around it. The other thing about this flower is it does have a particular odor about it. It's kind of pungent, maybe not the best. I can definitely smell it right now. That bad odor, there's a reason for that. That flower is trying to attract pollinators. Now, we often think of pollinators as like butterflies, moths, bees. And really, in fact, pollinators across the world, there's a whole wide variety. Bats are even a pollinator in some parts of the world. So for this flower, it's trying to attract pollinators like flies and carrion beetles. And with this bad smell that this flower is emitting, well, that's a dinner bell to a fly or a carrion beetle. They're going to come to the flower and pollinate them. Now, if you think about it too, butterflies and bees aren't quite active yet. So really, flies and carrion beetles, they're the only ones that could do this. Now, eventually, this flower will wilt, and then some big green leaves are going to pop up. Those big green leaves are going to resemble like a cabbage leaf, and they're going to be really big, and they're really going to cover some of these wetland areas. And the cool thing about the leaf is if you take it and you break it, you smell it, it does kind of have a strong odor to it. Now, some people think it smells really bad, some really good. I personally think it smells like strong garlic, so I think it smells kind of good. Some people think it smells like burning rubber, bad onion, burning or rubber like a balloon, all sorts of things, even skunk. So the skunk cabbage is a really cool plant. Look for it next time you're hiking out anywhere in northeast Wisconsin. We hope you enjoy this episode of Barkhausen Nature Bites.